Hi guys, good morning. It is 7:30 and I'm going to try install wallpapers on this white background because I think it looks very plain and very dull. So I got these from Amazon, Flipkart. Just hold on a second. Yeah, so I got these from Flipkart. Both of these are the same ones. It's like this. It's like this printed blue and white design, and I'm going to try and install it. It comes with a cutter and it comes with this thing which I think is used to kind of like smoothen it out so there are no bubbles. So I'm going to try installing it. I don't know how to do it, but I'm going to try and I hope I don't ruin it. So I'm going to bring you along on this journey. Let's go.
We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
You don't trust me?
Constantly talking isn't necessarily communicating.
I don't do that.
So after half an hour, I finally managed to open this. These are the two thingies that it came. So the plan is that I have no plan and I still don't know how to do this, but let's see how it works. So I'm going to show you the wall so you can see what it looks like right now, and then we'll start working on the transformation. This is what the wall looks like. It's got some cobwebs over here that I need to clean, but overall it's completely white. And now let's get to work.
It's not for me to say you love. It's not for me to say you love. Go with the brothers, boo, you know how we do. It's not for me to say.
So the length of the area that I want to cover is 182 centimeters, and the breadth is actually 60 centimeters, which is the breadth of the wallpaper. And there's still like a thin strip that I need to cover, but first I need to cut this according to 182 centimeters, and then let's see how I can put this up.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
I love you.
of you.
Hi, so this is the mark where I need to cut, and I'm gonna go find a ruler, draw a straight line and then cut, and it feels like I'm doing yoga at this point, but this is the mark.
Can I help it if I dream of you every day? I know I dream of you every day. Can I help it if I dream of you every day? I love you, 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 I love you.
I cut this and it's a little uneven on the edges because I didn't use a ruler, and I swear I brought a ruler when I came here, but I just can't seem to find it. But anyway, the measurement is cut, and now the only thing is to put this on the wall, and I have no idea how I'm going to do on this own. It's very difficult. Oh my god, it's very... Anyway, so what I was saying is I'm going to put this on the wall now, and it's very difficult to do on your own because you have to put it, you have to paste it, you have to take out the sticker. So let's hope for the best and let's see how I do it. This is what it looks like, and as you saw in the footage, I had to take it off and then I had to put it back on because there were some bubbles in it, and also I didn't take off the sticker properly. But this tool is actually very handy, so even if you have some air bubbles trapped in, you can kind of like just smoothen it out with this tool, so it's very handy. And this is what one part of it looks like. Now I need to do another part to cover this side first and then maybe this side, and if I have enough I'll do also these sides. I came back after having my breakfast. This part of the wall is still left, as you can see. This is the part that is done, and this is the part that is not done. I still have one roll left, and from what I can see, I don't think I'll be able to complete the whole wall, maybe like half of it with this roll. And I've been working on it for 2.5 hours now. I started at 7:30. It is 10 a.m. and I'm still going on.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hi guys, it is day 2 and I woke up a little late. It's like 9:30 a.m. but I have very little work today. I have like this small patch to cover, and then I actually have an entire roll I got once again, so I'll have a lot of it left. So I'm going to do the other side as well, which is interestingly where I normally film, but it has like a black cord over it, so I kind of wanted to do this side and film on this side, which is why I did this one first. But whatever is left of this one, after I'm done covering the patch, I'm going to use it to cover the other side as well, no matter how weird it looks. So let's finally again get to work. Already looks like it's come with a lot of air bubbles, as you can see, and even when I put it like this, it's actually a little lighter than the previous one. It's not that visible on camera, but from real life I can tell that this is at least 2 shades lighter than the one that I had before. So it's going to look a little odd, I think, the color difference, but we still have to work with this. So this is complete, and now you can see what I was talking about, the color difference. So this one looks lighter than the top one, like at least 2-3 shades lighter, but I can't help it. This is what I've got, so I've got to work with this. Now on to the other side. The walls are pretty much done, but an additional step I want to do is to paint a stool. So I have some paint, I have a paintbrush, and I have a stool to paint. I'll show you guys. So this is the stool. It's very old and it's kind of like dirty, as you can see, but I want to paint it yellow because it will go with the background. So let's start painting. So let me try opening the paint, and this is yellow in color because I wanted yellow, like I said. Try the scale. So when I was back in school, I used to be really bad in arts and crafts, like art and crafts. I used to always get like C's and D's. But recently I've been watching Bob Ross videos and it kind of makes me want to try watercolor painting at least. So this would be a good start. So let's start painting. I'm going to dip my brush. I don't even know how to do this, but it smells like paint. I'm going to dip my brush and let's go. But this is it. This is the final transformation. You cannot see the plant. This is the plant. This is the stool. These are the walls, and this is me. And this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching and coming with me on this journey. I am very excited to film in this new space. So please look forward to it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.